Stanford 6. So over the next couple weeks, we're going to be doing a couple different things in math. Your first kind of priority is to be working on ALEKS, whether that be alex.com or the my.mheducation.com. The reason why is because this will at least expose you to all the things that you really need to learn and to be working on. If you're on alex.com, you're working on some of the skills that you need to work on in order to get through those sixth grade skills. If you're on the my.mheducation.com, you're working through all the topics that are in the books. So that's really, really going to be helpful to you, and it will get us through things whether or not we're in the classroom. So I really am going to need you working on it. And over probably tomorrow, I'm going to go through a little bit more on how I want you tracking how many topics you've done. And at the end of each week, you're going to be asked to reflect on that. So kind of what was your goal? How many did you complete? What about them was challenging? That type of thing, okay? Now remember, I can see how much time you're spending on it. I can see what you're getting accomplished. If you're spending 45 minutes on one topic, you're probably not that focused on it. But I'm also going to show you kind of how to make sure you're reading the instructions and you're reading the guidance. And then I'm going to be available at different times to help you if you're having trouble with something specific. Okay? So that's thing number one. That's going to be super important. The second thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be working a little bit on statistics. So mean, median, mode, range, and all that stuff that goes with data sets. Reason why this is important is you do tend to see it on NEWA quite a bit. It's not something you spend a lot of time on, but it's something that I can easily teach you online without too much of a challenge. If I had gone into the ratio, the conversions, the percent of a number and stuff like that, it would have been pretty intense, especially given that we just sort of barely finished ratio problem solving. So on probably like Tuesday and Thursday, we're going to be doing the statistics stuff. I will have videos. I will direct you to the worksheets that you can do. You'll have that stuff sent home. You'll also be able to work on IXL, and as long as you get like an 80% on, or get an 80 on the SMART score, however it works, then you're going to be fine to move on, okay? So the nice thing is with statistics, you can use a calculator. So a lot of that stuff is made easier by the fact that you can use a calculator, and then you just need to learn the process and apply it. Ideally, if we're back in the 2.5 weeks from now, then you'll be all set. Statistics will be done. We can give you a quick grade on it, and we can move back into our conversions and percent of a number. That's best case scenario, okay? So really right now, I'm going to be recording stuff for the lessons on statistics. I'm going to record how I need you to track and reflect on ALEKS, but you can be working on ALEKS at any time. And if for some reason you have forgotten your password, please email me, text me, whatever. But other than that, you should know your passwords, right? So that's really all I need you to do right now. My next 2 days is really going to be spent checking in if you have some questions, and then really kind of creating those videos to direct you to do what I need you to do and how I need you to track it, okay? If you do have any questions, if you come up with anything, pay attention to the times we're available. Please ask questions. We're all learning this together. You guys have been awesome so far, and I hope that keeps up. We're going to try and have some fun here and there. I hope everyone participates in Spirit Week. It'll just be kind of a good time, a nice little bit of brightness in our weeks as we're mostly stuck at home. So let's do what we can. Please, please, please spend some time on ALEKS each day. Is the best way for you to get through what you need to get through. If you complete a pie, I can move you on to another pie, okay? So if you're on alex.com, I can move you up. If you're on a regular sixth grade pie and you complete it, I know I have a couple of you up in that 90% range. Just make sure I'm aware, which I'll be checking daily, and I can bump you up, okay? So you can learn more than you even need to learn right now, okay? So I hope this gives you kind of a brief introduction of what we're going to be doing for the next couple of weeks. We will get started on that. Looks like I have some videos to record, so I've got some stuff to do over the next couple of days, and that way we're all prepared to get started on Monday. But your first priority between now and Monday is to get on ALEKS, okay? All right, guys, hopefully I will see you all soon, talk to you all soon, and I will update you with more information in the near future. All right, guys, bye.